Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to find your USDT ERC20 wallet address on Bybit. This is helpful if you are depositing USDT from other wallets or exchanges using the Ethereum network. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. The first thing you need to do is to open your Bybit application. Once you are in, at the bottom right corner, tap on the Assets tab. Now tap on the Deposit button. Now again on the Deposit Crypto button. Now in the search bar, search for USDT, tap on it. Now comes the important part. You will be asked to select a network. Choose ERC20 Ethereum network. This is used when you're sending USDT from any ERC20 compatible wallet or exchange. Tap on ERC20. After that, you will see your USDT ERC20 deposit address along with a QR code. Just copy the address or scan the code to use it for your deposit. And that's it. Now you know how to find your USDT ERC20 wallet address on Bybit. Use this address only when transferring USDT via the Ethereum network to avoid losing your funds. If this video found you helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.